This tutorial requires beginner skills, takes about 15 minutes to prep and about 1 to 1.5 hours to complete. We spent a little amount of money on those bracelets and those necklaces, but the big chunk of dough went into that wig because it's one really cool wig. So there you go. Let's kick this off and let's begin by creating those awesome claws. And for that we are using foam sheets with one adhesive backside. We round one of the edges off. And since we are creating Evelynn here and are on the topic of League of Legends, are you a player? Let us know below. Remove the protection from that sticky side and then basically bend it over our finger with a rounded edge towards your hand. Next up, we fold that foam board right around our finger, squeezing it together all the way out to the edge. And with our scissors, we round those edges off a bit, both on the front and the back. And of course, you need to make 10 of these. Since they are supposed to be golden, we have to paint them, but if you can get your hands on golden foam sheets, or maybe golden colored cardboard or something like that, you can try creating them with that material instead. Now they are looking golden, so let's continue with the necklaces. We found these, and we actually bought 3. We're just going to show you on one here. We cut this flimsy part off. A basic golden chain will probably do the trick. We thought these looked pretty cool. So cut that off and continue with the bracelets and our feather boa. So there we go. However, Evelynn has these fluffy feathers around her wrists, so we need to cut that boa off so we can attach that to our wrist. So do a little measurement, pair of scissors, snip snip, and you're good to go. Of course you need one for each hand. And now you're about done with your prep work. Putting those to the side and getting rid of our hair. And now we can also see how we have arranged those necklaces. These are our 3 colors of choice for Evelynn's skin, and we begin with the purple. This of course is the base for the makeup, and we apply it sort of like we would with a shading, leaving a few areas blank for our highlights. Speaking of which, there it is, the white. And for that extra colorful pow, we go in with that pink and enhance our highlighted areas. And then set the color with a powder. And while those highlights are baking, let's give that shading a punch. We go in with a blue, deepen that cheekbone, as well as our collarbone, our neck, and up towards the hairline. Switching to that pink tone to give those pinks a nice little saturation boost. Time to wipe that powder off. And then we use that same blue and focus our attention on those brows. Looking good, ready to flirt. Let's keep that focus around the eyes, but this time switching to a black tone to give those eyelids that nice, deep, dark tone they deserve. And on those outer edges, we go in with blue, gently fade that outwards, mixing it in with the black. And of course, making sure that lower lid gets its share of black as well. And emphasizing that with an eyeliner going all the way into the corner of the eye. And next up, giving those lower lashes a boost of black as well before we bring on the real guns, or I should say the fake ones, and there they are. Those falsies, put them on. And to stay in touch with that Evelynn color scheme, let's throw in a dash of pink here in the shape of lashes. We cut them up, 2 for each side, and apply them on the outer edge there, giving the eyes a nice pop. Let's stick to that pink theme and go give our lips a nice color boost as well. Before we continue with the hair, let's extend that purple color a bit further down on the arms. We are using a hairspray color here, easy to remove. And we also add a little bit of black along the edge of the top there. Time to get rid of that huge pile of blonde hair. So put on that wig cap and then bring out that awesome purple wig. There we go. Put it in place. And now I believe we are starting to look the part. Yeah, and then we got a sudden urge to add additional black there on the edge of the arms. Alright, so let's add these white, nice little cartoony marks here on the face. A little bit of cool highlights. And time for a little fixer-upper on those hands, and we add a little bit of pink. This is also hairspray color, which makes it very easy to create little fades. So we begin with the pink and then fade in some black there towards the tops of the fingers. And since our fingers are missing those golden claws, let's put them on as well. Since our foam sheets had a nice sticky adhesive, they attach very easily. If they don't for you, you might have to add a little bit of skin adhesive. Get them to stick. And there you go. Yeah. Let's snap that fluffy feather around the wrist as well. Using a bobby pin. Keep it in place. And of course, putting on that bracelet while we are at it. More feathers to get in character, and the ever so important glasses, these awesome pink glasses. And there you go, you are Evelynn. A lot of pop, a lot of color, and it's looking pretty cool. And it's nice to get a little break from all the monsters during Halloween, right? So let us know in the comments what you think about this look. And hey, do you play League of Legends? And since we have left this Halloween season behind us, we might wonder what kind of looks you want during the year. So let us know that as well down below. We'll see you soon. Take good care out there. Bye.